Hi students. Now I am discussing question number 7, 8, 9. Then now the question Chemistry CET 2020 in the question number 7. Which of the following has lowest boiling point? When we have to decide any one of the organic compound boiling point, we have to check its polarity. More polar, more boiling point, and also molecular weight increase, that also having the more boiling point, and also check the branching, more branching, less boiling point. So in that polar nature and hydrogen bond formation also we have to check, because which type of forces are strong. Ion forces mean ionic bond stronger. Next, ion dipolar force stronger. Next, hydrogen bond. Next, dipole force is stronger. Next, van der Waals force, that is nothing but what you call London force, induced dipole force. If you don't know, once check one of the my video is there about the boiling point of organic compound. Just check, you will get the concept clear. Now I am checking here, all are having a covalent compound, then there is no ion bond. Next, there is no ion dipolar bond, because all are this covalent, there is no ion here in this, completely positive or completely negative charge. Next, go further, anyone having the hydrogen bond, then this carboxylic acid form the dimer form, then having hydrogen bond present here. Here also hydrogen bond present. Here also hydrogen bond it form. Primary amine form hydrogen bond, alcohol also form hydrogen bond. Either do not form hydrogen bond. Here hydrogen bond absent. It is a polar, mean dipole force. DD mean dipole force. Here also it having the dipole force because the polar compound. It also having dipole force. Next it also having the dipole force. Anyone, all organic molecule having the London force, that is called induced dipole force, or van der Waals force is also simply consider van der Waals force for example. Van der Waals force, van der Waals force, consider van der Waals force, van der Waals force, van der Waals force. All are anyway it easy to identify. This is having least one, because in these three forces are there, here only two forces are. This is the answer compulsory. There is no way. And if you want the exact some boiling point, then it having boiling point minus 25 degrees Celsius, it having the 78 degrees Celsius, it having 101 degrees Celsius, it having nearly 17 degrees Celsius. Based on that also, but we can't remember this temperature. That's why how to identify based on these forces. It having the least. Both are having the same molecular formula, but it having the hydrogen bond here no. Next one question, which of the following is the strongest base? To identify the strongest base, we should know that its acidic nature first. How to know the acidic nature? Add H for each one of the given option. If add H, then it is H2O. Add H, then it is acetic acid, CH3COOH. Next, add H, then we will know this is methanol. Add H, then it is HCl. Strong acid gives a weak conjugate base. Then we know organic and inorganic acid. Inorganic acids are generally stronger one. This strong acid gives weak base. That's why it is option D wrong. Next, carboxylic acids. Compare with the alcohols and ethers or any other compounds. Then these are called the stronger acid in the organic compound. Then it is also stronger acid gives weak base. Then it is also not. Now it is water. This is a alcohol. Alcohols are generally weaker acidic nature than the water. So weak acid means it gives a strong base. But here exception is there. Generally methanol is more acidic than the water. If you observe their pK value, then it is stronger acid. When stronger acid is weak base, then automatically according to this pK value, it is a weak acid gives stronger base. Therefore option A. But in general, if you don't know this exception part, alcohols are generally weak acid than the water, but except to this methanol, then you will answer which one this is. But actually, this is not answer. This is answer according to their pK value. If you observe clearly. Next, ninth question. This is nitrobenzene react with this Lewis acid in bromine. That is called bromination. Then nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Then it is meta directing. Then I will write here NO2 and here meta position Br. This is called halogenation. Next, reduction. Stannous concentrated HCl means NO2 converted into NH2. This is called reduction. NH2 and here Br. This is called diazotization. It means this NH2 will convert into which one? Here all I am writing, and also after reacting any NO to HCl, it formed diazonium chloride. Immediately react with the second step with water, then it gives the diazonium chloride will, first I am writing there with the diazonium chloride. What do you call this will be formed N2 plus Cl minus and here Br. Immediately with the second step it convert into here OH and here Br. N2 will be eliminated. Then this is the R as a product. Check, this option is not, this option also not, this option also not. Then reverse, you can write any one position, this is gives the correct answer. Then D option is the correct one. Thank you.